Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is your host, Elgin Martinez from the Immigrant Edification channel, the only channel that addresses real immigrant issues, coming to you with another informative video. But ladies and gentlemen, this video is going to be about the fact that the U.S. Supreme Court has blocked the issuance of green card to temporary protected status recipients who entered the U.S. illegally. That being said, ladies and gentlemen, the U.S. Supreme Court suggests it was determined to block application for green cards from thousands of immigrants who are living in the country under T.P.S. That being said, ladies and gentlemen, in hearing arguments Monday, the justice indicated they would bar green card application from people who entered the country illegally and later secured T.P.S. or temporary protected status. That being said, ladies and gentlemen, Justice Brett Kavanaugh told a lawyer representing a Salvadoran couple she had an uphill climb in arguing that federal immigration law lets her client seek permanent residency. That being said, ladies and gentlemen, T.P.S. currently covers more than 400,000 people from about a dozen countries. More than 250,000 are from El Salvador, who under federal law, ladies and gentlemen, must have had continuous presence in the U.S. since 2001. That being said, ladies and gentlemen, T.P.S. shields recipients from deportation and let them work legally in the U.S. That being said, ladies and gentlemen, so what actually triggered the case, the U.S. Supreme Court case against T.P.S. recipients? Ladies and gentlemen, basically what triggers the case was from Jose Sanchez and Sonia Gonzalez, a married Salvadoran couple who entered the U.S. illegally in the 1990s. They applied for and they received T.P.S. after El Salvador was devastated by a series of earthquakes in 2001, ladies and gentlemen. In addition, ladies and gentlemen, in 2007, Sanchez got an employment visa through his employer, and 7 years later he tried to use the visa to get what is known as an adjustment of permanent resident status for himself and his wife. That being said, ladies and gentlemen, U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services rejected the application in 2015, saying Sanchez was ineligible because he had never been admitted into the United States. That being said, ladies and gentlemen, federal law requires green card applicants to have been inspected and admitted into the country. Sanchez and Gonzalez, ladies and gentlemen, contended they met the inspected and admitted requirement by having been approved for the T.P.S. program. They said the government position would force them to return to El Salvador and apply for immigration visas there before they could seek permanent status. Something they say the government didn't intend when it set up the T.P.S. program in 1990. That being said, ladies and gentlemen, we've come to the end of this video. Please share, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you can be informed whenever I upload another video. Last but not least, thanks to all my viewers and subscribers, and thanks for your continued support.